How do archaeologists identify prehistoric tools despite erosion? Imagine finding a tiny shard of stone in a riverbed and wondering if it was shaped by ancient humans or just a natural rock. That's what archaeologists often face when trying to identify old tools that have been worn down over thousands of years. Erosion can make these artifacts look very different from how they originally appeared, but experts have clever ways to tell them apart. They look closely at the shape and features of the stones, especially the parts that show how they were made. For example, a tool made by humans often has a bulb of percussion, which is a thickened area on a flake created when a stone was struck intentionally. Natural rocks usually don't have this feature. Archaeologists also examine the edges of these stones. If they see signs of wear from cutting or scraping, it's a good sign that the tool was used by humans. Sometimes they find retouch marks, which are small chips or notches added deliberately to sharpen or shape the tool. These details are hard for erosion to mimic, so they help confirm the artifact's purpose. Another method involves comparing the shape and style of the tool to other known artifacts. They group similar objects into categories called typologies, which are based on common forms like arrowheads or scrapers. By studying many artifacts together, archaeologists can tell if a stone was intentionally shaped or just naturally fractured. They also analyze tiny debris, called debitage, which are leftover chips from making tools. These pieces reveal the techniques used by ancient toolmakers. Even if the surface of a tool is worn or damaged, internal features like flake scars or the bulb of percussion often stay visible. These internal clues help experts identify the original shape and function of the tool. Context also matters a lot. If the artifact is found near a known ancient settlement or workshop, it's more likely to be a prehistoric tool. Microscopic examination can reveal wear patterns from actual use, like cuts or scrapes, which are different from natural erosion marks. Ground stone tools, which are smoothed by grinding, show distinctive wear that erosion cannot produce. Combining all these methods, morphological features, technological clues, contextual information, and microscopic wear studies, allows archaeologists to confidently identify prehistoric tools even when erosion has altered their surfaces. This careful process helps us understand how ancient humans made and used their tools, giving us a glimpse into their daily lives.